I came to his first event in Dallas, and you know, I just, besides all the valuable teaching we get here, the networking here is phenomenal. Austin says all the time, you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. And so, you know, so I started hanging out with, you know, with people that are like-minded, and you start seeing some results.
I think that attending events is 100% the only way to success. I have been to both Dream Achievers, and I would not dream of missing the next one. Without attending events regularly, you're really not growing as a person, and therefore you're not growing in your business either.
I've never met anyone in the industry, and I've only been in the industry for 6 years. No one that I've met so far has had the passion for helping people. He's got to be the most selfless person I've ever met, and he's got to be one of the best people at establishing and maintaining relationships that I've ever seen. So to get around somebody like that and be able to pick his brain and learn from him is absolutely priceless to me.
The information that Austin shares helps my business because it's relatable and simple. Coming from no experience in network marketing 20 months ago, the entire concept of network marketing was mind-blowing and boggling and exhausting, and bringing him into the picture simplified it instantly. Dream Achievers is something that Austin has been planting in our heart for almost 2 years, and I am proof that if you believe in it and you have someone who also believes in it with you, you're relentless and unstoppable.
Austin Zulauf is hands down one of the greatest trainers in our industry, and that if you're looking to take your business to the next level, that you need to connect with him, make sure you're following his videos and his trainings, and get to his next event, because that will 100% guarantee you success if you take what you learn and you put it into action.
He has that way of being loving and warm and caring, and then being like, bro, hello. And I think that's really powerful. Obviously, he's had a lot of success in the profession. He's done a lot of really big things. He's been the #1 earner in companies before. He knows how to build organizations. He knows how to give you scripts. He knows how to tell you, here's what to do, here's the action steps. And then things that he's not as strong at, he brings people in who are strong at that. And so that's a sign of greatness. And so if you're looking for a coach, I think Austin could be a good fit for a lot of people.
I just saw the lineup for the next event. It is absolutely insane. If you didn't make this event, there was so much value poured into this event. I could just imagine coming out of the next event. You're talking about like legends like Cedrick Harris. You're talking about Cesar Rodriguez. You're talking about Fletcher. Like, you gotta be kidding me. The value and the price of the ticket, the correlation between those two, I would pay $500 to see each one of them individually, but to have them on the same ticket at one time, that's just absolutely insane. There's no reason anybody should miss that.
You better be here next time. You're gonna miss time big time.